Hello, and welcome to a presentation on Blank Michigan University Library's Academic Project Center. I'm Joseph Wagner. The mission of the Academic Project Center is threefold. Students can 1. Get individualized research help from a reference librarian on their assignments. 2. Much like visiting a writing center, at the Academic Project Center, students can work with a graduate assistant writing consultant on their paper's overall form, structure, style, and voice, and grammar mechanics. Or 3. Get technology assistance, such as creating graphs from Excel data or help with PowerPoint features. Prior to the Academic Project Center, a student might have to travel to 3 separate instruction labs all over campus, such as the computer labs for technology assistance, the writing center for writing assistance, or the library for research assistance if they wanted input on all these aspects of their assignment. Now the Academic Project Center offers them one-stop shopping. If a student comes in for technology assistance or writing assistance, the graduate assistant might notice that they really needed help with one of the other project arms as well and refer them. At the Writing Center, they might get one-on-one consultation, but at the Academic Project Center, they could have any number of people check over their paper. The technology graduate assistant is almost never busy, so she can act as a personal valet through the process with you. Supervising reference librarians at the Academic Project Center shift every hour, so a student could potentially get individualized research help from multiple librarians. But what are some benefits for the librarians? The librarians have fun collaborating with the English graduate assistants and get interdisciplinary viewpoints on current issues to the profession. One of the reference librarians, Susan, told me that she likes working at the Academic Project Center because she can toggle between students, and the students might overhear the advice she gave to another student and ask her about it. Staffing the reference desk is sometimes very hectic, whereas working at the Academic Project Center, a librarian can and should move slower for the students. Many reference librarians see themselves as faculty, but rarely do they actually get to act in such a role. The Academic Project Center is such an opportunity. Working closely with the student who's performing research allows the reference librarian to notice parts of the website that may be lacking or counterintuitive. How about some useful ways to encourage the students when they visit the Academic Project Center? Asking a student to identify the project requirements is a great way to help them narrow their search parameters. In some cases, students may already have completed some of the research, but need a librarian to verify if it was the right kind the instructor was looking for. Oftentimes, students may be unaware of the full range of library resources available to them, such as the class resource guides designed by subject specialists. One factor that seems to be sometimes overlooked in instruction is how to identify the Library of Congress subject headings. In another case, students might benefit from being shown how to use the ERIC descriptors and thesaurus to fine-tune their research. Now I'd like to share some personal observations I made from my time at the Academic Project Center. A focus in library school on instructional media is very beneficial to attract this sort of job. If you get shoehorned into technical services when you apply to work in an academic library like I did, try out an academic library's practicum and get a feel for which jobs in library you're best suited for. In some cases, when working with international students, you may want to go through the steps to finding something twice, because the first time through, they may be trying to translate what you're saying. Specialists may be asked to wear many hats in the library. In one case, a librarian I was working with was reviewing a language learning site similar to a Rosetta Stone as he was the international librarian. Another one of the hats reference librarians wear may be to sit on various library subcommittees. And just like government subcommittees, finding time when everyone is available and getting down to work instead of getting to conversations is crucial. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation on the Academic Project Center at Blank Michigan University Library. Thanks. Have a great day.